Why we are celebrating Environment Day? What is the need? That we have to first understand. Nowadays, most of the people around the world, they are running behind the materialistic kind of things. I am a being of this uh, rat race. All the human being, they really wants to have their family to be happy, and that is why they are thinking that if I will do some kind of work, so that I can make feel happy to my family. So one example I would like to add here, as my thinking is that if my family member will be educated, they will feel happy and society will give respect. So uh, uh, I'm doing something for them, right? But we are not giving respect to the nature. We all are busy in our personal life. So these all festival, including the religious festival also, these all festivals has been dated on a particular day, so that we can remember what is our responsibility about that particular festival, about that particular day. So now today we are speaking about the World Environmental Day. So whenever that this particular day will come, automatically around the world all the people will think about this day only. You can see in the all social media, including the LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, all the social media, everybody they are posting that yes, we must plant a tree, we must do something about the environment. Because because you are playing with the nature nowadays, we are using, we are using chemicals, we are using vehicles, and because of that chlorofluorocarbon is getting high. So nature is responding. Nowadays most of the peoples in the corona crisis, in this pandemic, most of the peoples they are suffering by the lack of the oxygen, lack of the oxygens. But why it is happening? Because of our lifestyle, because we are not doing good with the nature. So this day is a perfect day. This day is a perfect day to remember our responsibility, so that we can, we can realize, or we can remind ourselves, yes, we have to do something with the nature, good, something good with the nature. Otherwise, nature will respond us, and nature will do something bad to us. Lost lot of the cyclones are coming. Why? Because something we are doing wrong. These are the problems we are facing because we are not doing good with the nature. So what kind of the solutions we must do? What kind of the solution? After discussion only is not a solution actually, because most of the people, they will be very fanatical while they are like today we are very fanatical. Oh, we are celebrating environmental day, everyone posting in the social media, happy environmental day. But what they are doing, what whether they are following their responsibility, whether they are very cautious about their responsibility, whether they are giving respect to the nature. We have to analyze. If our productivity will not be high, then definitely we are not doing good with the nature. So if in the future, if you really want to good environment around us, good environment around us in terms of, the nature I'm talking about, in specifically in terms of the nature, then definitely you will have to realize what kind of the responsibility you are following with the nature, or whether you are doing good with the nature. If you are not doing, then you have to think, then definitely this is only the solution actually. So that's all about from my side. I think I have consumed my time.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Nilesh sir. You explained very remarkable point. I think mostly people, they only think about it, so they never take action. I think it is not good thing. So yeah, thank you again, Nilesh sir. And now I am give up chance Ranjit sir. Ranjit sir, means you know well today World Environment Day. So please, you have any idea means about today topic? So please, you also can share with us.
Okay, okay. So first of all, good evening to all of you, and thanks for giving me this opportunity to tell something, share my experience regarding World Environment Day. So as Neela sir already told that we we are celebrated each and every festival, so any religious festival or any organization whenever going to celebrate it in a particular day. That means this particular day is remember us that we have some responsibility to do this kind of thing. So today's is the same date. Today's is World Environment Day. That today's is June 5, and June 5 every year we are going to celebrate as a World Environment Day. And it was a start. It was a start from 1974 by United Nations. So the purpose of this, I think the purpose of this campaign is to aware people our people to caring the nature, because as a human we are always we are always increase our developing our lifestyle, and due to the developing we forget the some natural responsibilities, some social responsibility which we are forget. So this particular days is remember us that we have the some responsibility on regarding our nature, because so many problems now are creating, as we saw that now we are facing so oxygen, the lack of oxygen. So not only that, there are so many problems like global warming and depletion of zone layer and desertification, and on the other hand marine pollution, I mean water pollution, and human overpopulation, air pollution, soil pollution. This kind, so many pollution reasons are happened nowadays. But to to I think to take care all this natural sources. This is a day, particular day that we have we have to learn that how to protect all these things, because nature, environment give us so much, but as a human we have the responsibility to do something significant to our upcoming generation. And I think so we have to use so many we have to reduce our plastic uses and plantation more trees, and not only plantation, saving trees and save all the natural sources. This kind of activities are we have to do for, and we have to contribute our times and take serious that World Environment Day, World Environment is a I think a serious matter, and we have to learn about it and take care about it. So thank you, Ravindra sir. This is from my
Yeah,
side.
really, Ranji sir, you also explained very well, and you also mentioned about like why means day by day increase
Well done, sir. Well done.
pollution and yeah, and air pollution, water pollution, this type thing. I think it is 100% truth. Yeah, now Sambhu Nath, you have any idea? So please, you also can share with us. Sambhu, unmute yourself. Hello. Hello, Sambhu. Yeah, Hema, you have any idea? So Hema, you can start. Hello.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Hima Yadav, and as we know that today is World's Environment Day, and this is only a day for the for the awareness of people to the environment, like how to save the trees, and also to save and conservation the all natural things which was given to us by the God. It is they are God gifted. We cannot create them. We are, but we are without thinking that we are destroying them. Like we are cutting the trees. We are making too much pollution, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. We are just only destroying, but we don't think that we can't create them. So it is in a person's individual responsibility that they should have some steps. They should follow some steps. Like if you now, because life has become too much modern, and without these things also we can't live. But we can follow only some steps by we must plant the trees, and we should not waste too much water. We should think the value of these things. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Emma, thank you, thank you. You also can explain very well. And now, Mithu sir,
Yeah.
Yeah, start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Yeah. Today June 5th is we are celebrating World Environment Day. Yeah, definitely. Because as far as I am concerned,
उन लोग भी तो इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए कहेंगे.
World Environment Day. Can you hear me all?
No.
Some
Continue.
noise begin that.
Yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, you are audible, sir. You are audible. Go ahead.
Mithu sir, what happened, Mithu sir? You can continue. Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, some noise began that. That's why I'm disturbed.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. No issue. Yeah.
Hello. Can you hear me all?
Yeah. Are you audible, Mithu sir? Continue.
Okay. As far as I am concerned, that World Environment Day is also celebrate today. Yeah, my view of point that nowadays pandemic COVID-19 pandemic second way is going there. Thus, as a second pandemic COVID is also taught all of person why we have to must be planned in tree, because we have to now we know that value of oxygen. Okay, value of oxygen nowadays we have to know. Okay, value of oxygen, because if you see that enter the world, oxygen deficiency is
Yeah, I think Mithu sir faced little bit network problem. So I think we have a
convey to our environment. This is about
Yeah, Mithu
yeah
sir.
no doctor taught
I think it is sufficient because Ranjit sir belong to West Bengal and Mithu sir Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Nilesh sir also they are working in Bangalore. And each every persons they live different type place. Okay, and each every persons they have a different type circumstances knowledge. So I think each every person to know about. I think each every person they commitment ourselves. I think plantation is a very important thing, and how to contribute a little bit good things for nature. Each every person's they have commitment this type thing. 100% they contribute little bit thing about means nature. 100% they will get good result. Why? Because now one day we can see mostly metro area. I think some person they think about it. I think rural area means having lots of good means environment. Why? Because there are lots of forest area available this type of. But now one day some metro city also they are doing very well. Why? Because commitment ourselves. I think we need like means if you want to good environment, so it is your responsibility. I think if you commitment ourselves mean like means do good work for plantation, and if you means think about it, I think it is a bad things. Some pollution also like smoking. I think if you means a little bit have a knowledge, and if you contribute, if you give up a little bit, means a little bit, 100% it is a very good things. So I think it is a sufficient today. I think we have a complete all persons, and thank you all of you.